Your at-home barista who makes better drinks than Starbucks.
Yeah.
She wanted to show you her jersey. Say hi. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
And what is this on the side? What is that?
Yeah.
Good job. This is her sister's school, and she did not want to take her jersey off, and she slept with her jersey, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Today I'm making a maple cinnamon latte, and I'm going to be using my instant coffee, the Nescafé Clásico. It says 1 teaspoon for 6 ounces. I'm going to do 6 ounces of water and 2 teaspoons of my instant coffee. And I'm using some pretty warm water, almost warm to hot. This is the maple syrup I'm using, and we're going in with 2 tablespoons. Also a dash of cinnamon. And just mix those flavors together. Going in with about 1 cup of milk, about 2 ounces of heavy cream, and let's just froth that to like a medium consistency. This is just going to make your coffee a lot more creamier. Okay. Just like that. I'm going in with some ice. On top of more ice, pour your instant coffee right over. The color is off, but that is okay. We're going in with some whipped cream. And let's add some maple brown sugar, McCormick's finishing sugar. And just like that, you have Starbucks at home. Guys, I thought this was gonna taste watered down. I can definitely taste the coffee. It looks like milk and sugar, but I can taste the coffee. It's actually pretty good.